I will give you a replacement soon so that your life does not get lost. Ask yourself this important question: is your absence as a family member, a company owner, a leader, or a manager going to stop the system I built? If your answer is yes, then you are in a big mistake. But if things went well in your absence, as if you were there, then you are going the right way. You have to make an alternative and prepare it. If you don't do that, all you built will be lost as soon as you disappear, or if you have an emergency, you will not be present. You must worry if there is a mistake in the entity you are responsible for and you are absent. And do not be afraid that the replacement will take your place. If you are confident of yourself, you will share your experience with all people and give the lower authorities from you without worrying. Unfortunately, 90% of companies and shops are collapsing and are losing their owners due to illness or death or travel. This is because of the absence of the institution and the failure to build a strong administrative organization consisting of second-class leaders. That is, the bigger the entity, the more alternatives you need and a leader to take over things. Do not be afraid, even if what you learned is split from you and you are confident that you are in the right place. Know that the competitor in your favor is not against you. The big companies with billions of dollars are preparing an alternative to the executive president as soon as he takes office, and most of the time he is the operating manager. My advice to you, whether your interest is small or large, prepare your alternative now so that your interest continues to grow in a stable way and